Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, fog lamps, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, cargo net, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.